Hello children. Today we are moving to the exercise number 7, that is Great Sons of India. Children, Bharat Ratna is a civilian award which is given to the person who has done a great deed in the field of art, science, literature or public service. So here are the descriptions of some people who has received this Bharat Ratna award in any of the field like art, literature, science or any public service. So we have to answer the names of those people who has received that Bharat Ratna award. Now let's move the exercise. The first one is, he is India's well-known sitar player. Children, sitar player. This is sufficient to know the answer. This is enough to know the answer that India's well-known sitar player. He is the father of American singer Nora and Anushka. Anushka is her daughter. His daughter Anushka, and she is also a sitar player, and he is Ravi Shankar. Children, next is, he was a freedom fighter and a follower of Gandhian principles. Gandhian principle means the principles or the rules which were made by Gandhi, and the person who follows these rules known as the follower of Gandhian principles. So here we are talking about a person who is a freedom fighter and a follower of Gandhian principles. After independence, he became the first chief minister of Assam. Now, the first chief minister of Assam, this sentence is enough to know the answer, and also called the architect of modern Assam. He is Gopinath. He is Gopinath Bardoli. Now look the next one. He achieved fame as a film director. Means he was a film director also. His first film Patthar Panchali won many international awards. Along with Aparajito and Apur Sansar, the three films form the Apur trilogy. The three films form the Apur trilogy. He was Satyajit Ray. Now look the next one. A renowned Carnatic vocalist. She was the first musician to be awarded with this honor. So this sentence, she was the first musician to be awarded with this honor is enough to know the answer. Answer is M.S. Subbulakshmi. She was a renowned Carnatic vocalist and she won the musician award. She won the Bharat Ratna, the musician awarded with this honor. Now next one, he was an Indian vocalist in the Hindustani classical tradition, and he is famous for the Khayal form of singing. Children, who is famous for the Khayal form of singing? This question is enough to know the answer. The answer is Pandit Bhim Singh Joshi. Now look the next one. He was a freedom fighter known for his non-violent opposition to the British rule. He was popularly called Badshah Khan. देखिए Badshah Khan and the Khan of Khans and Frontier Gandhi. So these three terms are used for Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was a freedom fighter and also known as the Badshah Khan, Khan of Khans and Frontier Gandhi. The last one of this exercise, he was an advocate of non-violence and human rights. He is considered by many as the spiritual successor of Mahatma Gandhi. He is known for the Bhudan Andolan. So he was Vinoba Bhave. Vinoba Bhave was a person who was especially known for the Bhudan Andolan and also known as a spiritual successor of Mahatma Gandhi. Children, we all know that India is the largest democracy all over the world. So our next exercise is based on political system, और हम कह सकते हैं our politics. So that's why the name of this exercise is our politics. Now look at the exercise. Stopping the proceedings of the House by an MP. MP means Member of Parliament to discuss any urgent matter of public importance is known as an adjournment motion or impeachment. So your answer is here adjournment motion. Next is the Prime Minister President declares the financial emergency in our country. Who declares the financial emergency in our country? Our President declares the financial emergency in our country. Third one. The Prime Minister of India can be moved out from his office by the dismissal or by the President. So who has this authority to move out the Prime Minister from his office? The President of India has this authority. Fourth one, the first hour of a sitting of the House allotted for asking and answering the questions is called interactive or question hour. So the first hour is known as the question hour. Answer is given in the questions. Okay, answering of questions. तो जब हम किसी से बात करते हैं वो होता है हमारा इंटरैक्शन, ठीक है. बट when we are asking something to anyone, that is वो होता है क्वेश्चन. तो ये दिस इज here your answer is question hour. Next is the Rajya Sabha can have maximum of 552 members or 250 members. So Rajya Sabha can have maximum number of 250 members. Look the next one, children. The state legislatures that have two houses are bicameral or unicameral. Children, here the meaning of bicameral is two chamber and unicameral is one chamber. So the state legislatures that have two houses, they are bicameral, means they have two chambers. Okay? Next, the President of India addresses his resignation to Vice President or Chief Justice of India. So children, the President of India, when he wants to address his resignation, so he addresses his resignation to the Chief Justice of India. Number 8, the Governor or the President is the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. So who is the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha? The Vice President is the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. The period during which the House meets to conduct its business is called a session or a meeting. So it is called a session. Now, number 10, a money bill can be introduced in Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. Children, remember, a money bill always be introduced in Lok Sabha. So here your two of the exercises, exercise number 7 and exercise number 8 are over in GK. Okay? Now do these exercises in your book, and we will meet soon with in next video with another new exercises. Children, we have less time and only one period of GK is there in a week. That's why I am taking two exercises in a video, and I think it's okay. बहुत ज़्यादा आपको hectic नहीं हो रहा होगा क्योंकि वीक में एक बार ही आपको GK करना पड़ता है, and 2 exercises are enough for that. Okay, now we will meet soon in next video. Till then, goodbye.